Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a specific color of an image using Photoshop. So firstly, let's get this tutorial started by opening the Adobe Photoshop application. Now, as you can see, there are two buttons on the side here called New and Open. Open is mainly used to import photos into the Photoshop. So another way to do this is by using the file method, which you can click open. Another way to do this is using the shortcut method, which is Ctrl O, and you can easily open that up. Great, so let's just click on the open button here and let's quickly import our photo. As you can see, we have a flower here, which is currently pink, and we want to change this to orange. So how do we do this? As you can see, there are a lot of tools here, but today we're going to be using one special panel, which is going to be the adjustments panel. If you do not see the adjustments panel in your layout, please go to the window up here and select adjustments and make sure that's checked. Okay, so let's get started into the tutorial by zooming in into the adjustments tab. Select Hue Slash Saturation to create a new adjustment layer. What you want to do next is select this hand tool to select a specific color that you want to change. So next you want to zoom in into the photo to find the special pink that you want to edit. Great, so let's zoom out of the photo, and as you can see, the color that was selected here is magenta, meaning that that is a shade of pink, and we can use that hue slider to change the color. Okay, so let's use the hue slider and let's drag that to make it more of an orange color. As you can see, the middle of the flower itself does not look too fancy here, so I'm just going to eye drop that again and use the hue slider to even that out a bit, like so. And there you go, that's how you change a specific color in Photoshop. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe for future content. Okay, so bye guys.